Hello YouTube. So I bought a new laptop. So it is an Asus X515E and currently there is no iOS system installed. So I'm trying to install the operation system using this USB device and I have Windows 11 over here and I'm facing a problem because the storage could not load. But we can see over here that this one has an SSD 250 gigabytes almost. Okay, so let me try and let's see what shows. Okay, I'm gonna start booting from the USB device. So when the laptop is starting, you need to press the escape button over here. So it will go to the boot menu. Okay, here we go. We will select the USB device and it will start loading from the bootable USB device that I have created with the Windows 11 inside it. Okay. Okay, so here we go. It's asking to select language and the keyboard input. So far it looks everything okay. I will hit install now. Okay, it's good. Setup is starting. Okay, we can select here, I don't have a product key. Go next. Selecting the Windows 11 version that we need. I'm gonna select Windows 11 Pro. Go next. Agree to the terms and then go next. Customize installation. Okay, so here we go. Here we get this problem. There is no storage showing over here because it says only this to get a storage driver, hit load driver. First, we're gonna download something on our USB device. I'm gonna download something on my computer and I will get back to you. Okay guys, so I'm on my computer now. I have inserted the USB device on this computer. This is the bootable USB device and we're gonna download what is missing on the Asus that was not installed previously. Okay, so you need to go on google.com and you need to type Intel Rapid Storage Technology download. Okay, I'm gonna try to open to find the right one that we need. Here we go. Okay, this one is not the right one. You need to go back, you need to find the zip file. So okay, this one, let's try this one. Okay, so here we go. We have over here RST, Windows 11, Windows 10. Also, there is this one, Windows 11, Windows 10. I'm gonna download this one, accept the terms. Okay, it is downloaded. Okay, I'm gonna download this one also. Okay, so they are both downloaded. And to be sure, you need to download also from the support of the official of the brand of the laptop. I'm gonna go to asus.com/support and over here I need to search IRST. So this is the Intel Rapid Storage Technology. Okay, you need to scroll down over here and we need to download the Intel Rapid Storage Technology. Okay, so here you need to go to drivers and utility and you're gonna select what we have. What we're trying to install right now is Windows 11, so click on Windows 11, hit download over here. Okay, another file will download. I'm gonna put all three of these files that I downloaded on my USB device. Only this one from Asus will work for sure, but to be sure I just downloaded this two also. Okay, let's try one by one. I will open the first one. Okay, so these are the three files that I have downloaded. I'm gonna hit cut and I'm gonna go to the USB device, the bootable USB device over here, paste it over here. Okay, once you are inside over here, I'm gonna extract all three files. So right click on each of these, hit WinRAR, extract files. Hit OK. Make sure that you extract it on the USB device. Hit OK. Okay, here we go. You see that it's showing over here. Do same thing for the other file. WinRAR, extract files. Okay, I'm gonna extract it as a folder this time. WinRAR extract to the folder. Okay, and same thing on the third one. WinRAR extract as a folder. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the USB device and I'm gonna go back to the Asus that had a loading problem to install Windows. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the laptop that I used it to install the driver that was missing on the USB device. So I'm gonna take the USB device now and I'm gonna put it on the new laptop that has no operation system on it. The screen is still on the same that we left it before, so it is not showing anything over here and we cannot find the storage in order to install the Windows 11 from the USB device. Okay, you're gonna need to hit load driver over here. Select this one, you need to select the folder RST, hit OK. Okay, I'm gonna select this one, Intel RST VMD controller, hit next. Okay, the driver is installing and we just need to wait now. Perfect, so here we go. You see that now the storage is showing and we are able to install the operation system using the USB device. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that you comment and subscribe. Bye.